Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Still to this day, this is one of the most popular collector cars of all time, a 57 Chevy. And we have a great example here. I bought this along with some other cars from the estate of a gentleman. He had 175 collector cars. Anyway, this one here has been body off frame restored. I think what someone's objective was to keep it looking stock. Really, the only thing changed are the wheels cosmetically, but under the hood is a 350, air conditioning, power steering, there's power disc brakes, it has an overdrive transmission. So it's got all these nice upgrades to make it turnkey ready to drive. About 4,200 miles on the car since it's been finished. Go to volocars.com. You can read all the specs, study all the pictures. That's where you'll find the price, not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin. The 57 Chevy. Yeah, it was body off the frame restored. Underneath, the metal looks really solid. It's painted black. I'm not going to say it's like a trailer car underneath. They restored it. They made it really roadworthy. Matter of fact, they added sway bars front and back. The front end components, I can't say it's brand new in detail, but it's clean, and you can tell they replaced the shocks and the bushings and a lot of components, tie rod ends, all that looks like it's been replaced. Same thing in the back, the shocks, even the springs were replaced. You look up at the motor, it's clean. It has a turbo, not a turbo 400, it has a 700 R4, that's the overdrive automatic transmission. And it has the stock rear end in it. The fuel system's been replaced, the tank, the straps, that all looks new. It has a dual exhaust system with decent sized mufflers, so it has a little bit of rumble, but nothing radical. Disc brakes in the front. The emergency brake cable system looks like it's all hooked up. So underneath is very respectable. As far as the condition of the body, it is straight. This car's probably been restored, I'm going to guess 10 years or so, and it's straight and smooth. There's no rust, no blisters popping, nothing like that. The panels fit really nice. All these gaps are really good. The windshield's been replaced. The stainless is straight and shiny. The gasket's soft. The base around the wipers looks new. The hood looks really great. The rockets are shiny chrome. All this is excellent. It has optional bumper guards. The lenses, the gold grille, all of this was replaced. It all looks good. This hood fits exceptionally well up here too, by the way. Side moldings and the Bel Air trim, all that looks new. Correct antenna looks new. Dual mirrors, door handles with the fingernail guards. All this stainless is new, or it's been professionally straightened and polished. Has the little flipper door, they call it. Actually works. That door shuts nice. I'm a big fan of that. So it's all smooth down here. I don't see any issues. All real nice. Has fender skirts. All this trim's beautiful. All this trim is beautiful. Has optional reverse lights. All this has been replaced. For those that don't know, that's where you put the fuel. It's got a new gas cap. So all that's real nice. The back window, I'm going to say, is new too. It's crystal clear. Makes me wonder about the rest of the glass. Yeah, that glass is crystal clear. I'll check all the others and I'll put it in my ad, but I think it's new glass. Now the wheels, you can put rally wheels on anything. I think they look just fine. They got nice spinners in that, BFGoodrich tires, but you could completely change the look of this car with wheels. If you wanted to go completely nostalgic and stock, put some white walls on here at the original hubcaps. You can buy all that new. If you want to really modernize it, you can put some polished billet specialty wheels on there and really make it look custom, or leave it just the way it is. So under here, it's got a lot going on. It's a 350 motor, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb with a nice dual snorkel air cleaner. It's got a set of headers, HEI ignition, an air conditioning system, power steering, power brakes, electric wipers. It's got a new battery, dual electric fans in front, plus it has a fan on the motor and a shroud to keep things cool. It's got an overflow bottle. So everything in here is nice. It's not one of those where it's decked out with, billet aluminum, and but it's all good, all proper. Interior is completely restored to original condition, or I should say mostly original. It's got a couple add-ons, which I'll tell you about, nice add-ons. Trunk compartment's all clean, painted nice. Looks like the wiring's new, the rubber mat's new, the latch assembly's new, weather strip. It's got a white wall tire for a spare with the jack. So it's got a really nice, all finished trunk compartment. Now the interior, I said, has a couple tricks up its sleeve. It has a tilt column here. But the steering wheel, all the metal is painted real glossy red. The armrest, the window cranks, all that's replaced. Air conditioning vents are neatly under the dash. Has a retro stereo in the dash. All the trim, everything across the dash is beautiful. The seats are reupholstered. The door panels are new. Headliner's redone. The visors. Has a day and night mirror. The light works up on the dome. Now there's it says that it has cruise control. I'm looking for the unit. It does have something here that I've never seen with a wire going to it. Yeah, it's got cruise control. I see it. So this has cruise control too. So whoever set this up said, I want a car to drive. So that's what they did. Door jambs are real clean. I gotta shut that door one more time. That's nice. Why don't we fire it up? If there's a new wiring harness in the trunk, they probably have a new wiring harness throughout the car. The seats are soft and comfy. I'm looking at a nice clean dash. It's not dingy, beat up. It just, I could drive all day and just enjoy this dash in front of me. Runs so nice. It's got an amp gauge and a water temperature gauge mounted down below. Yeah, it runs nice. Got a nice little cam. In the glove box is a B&M lockup converter. I honestly don't know exactly understand what that's about. It does have the cruise control system in here. Got the dual horns. It's a really nice car. One of those, the more you look at it, it's like, wow, that's a good one. So it really retains its original look. But it has the modern reliability, dependability, performance. So it's 57 Chevy. That still looks like a 57 Chevy, but yet you can get in and cruise with it, turn the air on, have the stereo going, put on the cruise control, go drive this thing all over the country. You can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman, because I just gave you my impression of what I see here with this car. I forgot to mention it has skirts too. So anyway, go to volocars.com if you have any more questions. Salesman can get this delivered anywhere in the country. You can get you financed. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.